Fortnite has accidentally added the Fortnite Chapter 3 map inside of UEFN, and the only way to really access it if you have UEFN developer mode. But in today's video, I actually do have access to that. I'm actually going to be showing you, like, what does the map look like, what can you do to this map, and also what is new in UEFN dev. So if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, comment down below, is Fortnite going to remove the Chapter 3 map? So let's get started with today's video by checking out the Artemis terrain level thing in UEFN, which is actually going to give me the Chapter 3 map. So if you have UEFN dev right now, what you want to do is that you want to go inside of UEFN dev and type this. So if I just type this right here and I put terrain, and the way to really make this easier, if you want to go to settings and change the view type to columns, and you just want to sort it by disk size, and it's actually going to make it very easy to kind of like see like the highest to the lowest in size wise. So all you want to do is you want to find the Artemis terrain, no ls, none of like these extra things right here, and just double click it, and here we go. So it's loading the Artemis terrain. Now I'm actually going to be telling you some things that is kind of disappointing, but you can also fix it by just doing a couple of things. So it actually might take some time if you want the full thing, but I'm going to be showing you what I'm talking about in a bit. Here it is right now. It's going to be a little bit laggy because it's loading all of the shaders, but once that is finished, it should be good. So I'm just going to rebuild all this. So all the shaders are done. It's going to be rebuilding everything or whatever it needs to rebuild. But yes, this is version 31.40, and we have the Chapter 3 map. This is actually pretty crazy, and I'm so glad I have access to this, because I know a lot of people out there wanted to get access to this, and I'm going through all these posts and are saying, how do I get this? How do I get this? And nobody is responding. So I'm actually going to respond to those people by making a video on it once this video gets over 300 likes. So if you haven't already, make sure to like this video. And here it is. This is actually the Fortnite Chapter 3 map, and as you can tell, it looks amazing. And this is everything. It's going to be freezing because everything is still loading, but it has froze right now for some reason. There we go. And look at this. The map is so beautiful. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete this and change it back to tiles. If I could probably just close this, probably. But look at this. This is the Chapter 3 map, which is actually so crazy because, as you can tell, the things are only HLODs. And what this means is that it's actually not a prop. So if I were to click on this, as you can tell, it's not a singular piece. It is a whole thing combined. So if I want to hide this, but if I do want to fix this, all you have to do is go back into your thing, change it back to columns, sort it by the size thing over here, and just search up Artemis. So Artemis right here, and you could probably, yeah, you don't even gotta put terrain. So what you want to do is that you just want to drag a random. So if I don't know if a balloon, let's see, let's just throw this in. Let's see what it throws. Okay, so this is the piece over here. So if I were to like replace every single HLOD with an actual prop, all I want to do is I want to click this. So as you can tell, it's the same thing. Copy the transform thing, delete it, go into the actual prop thing, and paste. And as you can tell, this is the actual prop. There is no like, it's not low mesh or anything. It's the actual thing. And which is actually pretty cool about this is that you could do this for every single thing. But the problem is that it's going to take a while. And I'm not sure if this saves or not, but I'm not sure what I spawned right here. I'm not sure if this is anything. We're just going to delete that. So if I were to like do the cave thing, so all I have to do is type in cave and go inside of here. Let's just throw a piece down. Alright, so this is one of the pieces I think in the back. So all I want to do is yeah. So I copy the transform, do that. I grab this prop. Well, first I want to delete this because it's going to go right back into the position. So as you can tell, it was a low mesh right there. All I want to do is just paste this, and if I go back, there we go. Look, the actual prop is there. Now there is a lot of HLODs that you can replace, so it's going to take some time, and I'm not sure if this saves. You're going to have to try that yourself, but if you want to get every single prop on the map, all you have to do is do like what I was doing with the cave and stuff, and usually it sorts by like what it is. Like the cave is going to be sorted by the cave. If I type in 7, it's going to be all the 7 stuff. If I type lobby, there should be some lobby stuff. Yeah, so if I just lobby island, I'm not sure what this is going to do. Let's see. Yeah, look at this. So this is actually the entire lobby piece. So if I just would copy this right here, or maybe it isn't. Let's actually see what this is. So, is this the lobby piece right here? I think it is. So if I just go over here and delete, yeah. So if I just copy this, oh, we're gonna have the entire island right here by just doing this. There we go. And look at this. This is the island, and it actually looks pretty cool. I'm not sure what this is. I don't think this is anything useful. It looks like it's kind of destroying. Let's see. So if I just copy and paste this, do that. Let's just copy and paste this. Boom. Yeah, I don't know what that is. But look at this. So this is the actual lobby, and I can actually change the terrain, which is actually pretty crazy. Yeah, it looks like I cannot paint anything for some reason. I'm not sure what's going on with that. Maybe this is the right one. Yeah, I'm not sure. But you can, I think, sculpt on this. Now, I know you could do it on the Chapter 3 map over here. I'm not sure. What did I do right here? Let me just go back and delete the... Maybe the thing that I put down ruined it. Let's see. Yeah, maybe what I did with the terrain ruined it. Yeah, let me just delete this. Maybe this was the problem. So let me delete that, because as you can tell, the water's not here, so that may have ruined it. Or maybe not. I'm not sure what I did right here, but as you can tell, the water is not here for some reason. Let me just click water. There we go. Alright, so the water's back. And let me go back into the terrain and try to, like, sculpt on this. I'm not sure why I can't. Let me just go back to the map, though. Okay, there we go. So, as you can tell, I can go to the map right here and click, I think it's D. Let's see. So, this is the volcano. And if I go to D right here, all the shaders are going to load because there's so much stuff in this map. So, if I just go right here, and let's just say I wanted to chrome the entire, like, look at this. And I'm actually going to be making a video on me chroming the entire Chapter 3 map and actually chroming some props. So if you want to wait for that video, make sure to subscribe because I will be doing that very shortly. But look at this. So we can even... This is the actual chrome material that they use on this map. So I can just like drag it. Look how well it connects to just dragging it right there. And it actually does look a little bit official. But that is still pretty cool. And I don't know why I can't do it over here. But let's just say I want the chrome like this one. This is actually a prop, so it's not gonna work right there. But let's just say I wanted to chrome the entire cross. I'm not sure what this place was, like crossy roses. I don't know, crossy clouds. Something with that. I actually forgot what the, or maybe this was. I don't know what this place was. But look how cool this is though, and it actually looks so good, and even like moves too. Keep doing it all over the map, and as you can tell, it fits perfectly. And this is actually what I tried to get in the Forest Chrome map, which you should check out because there's going to be a new Halloween update very, very soon. And I will be doing a V-Buck giveaway in that map. So make sure to subscribe and check out the map. The map code is on the screen right now. So here we go. Yes, so I can paint this right here. I'm not sure why everything is like, the shaders are just so... There's so much stuff to do. And as you can tell... Oh, maybe it's the wrong thing. Let me go change it to Season 1 or 2. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on with this. But just look... how crazy this gets though. Like the entire thing is just chromed, and I actually don't like how this is freezing so much with the shaders. Let me actually stop following this because it's crashing like crazy. But look at this, like look how cool it is. It's even animated too. I'm not sure how they do this because if I were to go to I think it's just called lackluster, and if I were to look that up, remove the level filter and like filter it by the tiles. And I don't think I could go, let's see, it should show, yeah, these are like all the materials and stuff, and these are the chrome, like, materials and stuff. So if I have to click this, or like throw it on something, as you can tell, it has like the biome thing. And let me actually just throw in, let's just look on Mesh, and throw in, let's see what this is. This is a random prop, so if I were to, like, throw random stuff in, and then look up lackluster again, it should show up with the chrome material. Yeah, look at that. So I can just actually, this is like actual chrome too, that you would see on like other stuff. So I'm just gonna throw it on this like thing right here and just equip it. Let's see. I'm not sure if this will work. Yeah, it is actually working. Let me just do that. I'll say it's gonna look a little bit funky, but let me actually just go to a chrome POI and see how they did that. Because I don't think there was ever chrome trees, was there? No, there actually wasn't. And as you can tell, this is, I'm not sure what they would call this. Let me just look up chrome at the level. Yeah, so here it is, some like chrome stuff. I could probably like throw this in and see what this is right here. Oh, so this is one of the POIs, but look how cool this is. So I'm not sure if we could edit any of this. Let me just look at lackluster again and remove the level filter and throw this in. Let's just do okay. Oh, you actually can edit it. Okay, so that's actually good to know. But as you can tell, it looks a little bit funky, but I think there's like the right one where you have to throw on. Let's see if I can find it. Let's just throw, yeah, like maybe it was this one. That looks a little bit legit. Probably that one right there if I just throw this on. That'll show again. And look how cool this is. This actually looks like the official thing, which is actually still crazy. And I actually never thought I would actually be able to use the official like chrome material in UEFN in a glitch way or anything like that. But this is actually still pretty crazy. And yes, this is like all the stuff you could do. And look at this. So every single thing that like you click on, that is a single level. So if I were to look up, I'm not sure, maybe this is cloud. I'm not sure what they call this place. Let's see. Okay, so I'm just gonna look up balloon. Let's see. Okay, so I'm just gonna look up Artemis. Let's just try to. As you can tell, it does show you what it is when you have them in the columns, or what is it, the tiles. So I'm gonna just try to find a singular piece. Let me actually just get this building right here, and this is. I think this is here. Is it right here? Oh, maybe not. But this is. Yeah, this is at Reels. So let me actually just try to find. Maybe this. Oh, here is the boat. This is actually pretty cool. So let me find the boat right here. And look how cool this is. So it has everything. And let's just say I wanted to. Let me just look up a material. I'm gonna filter it, and this is all of the materials. Look how crazy this is. This is the character. Look how like sick this is though. You can't open it, as you can tell. It says cannot modify cooked assets. But here's some trees. Like look at all that. Obviously, it's not gonna show you everything, cause you just gotta like throw in all the stuff and it'll show you. But as you can tell, like there's so much stuff. Like in this. Look at this, even more foliage. I'm just actually just gonna look at lackluster. I'm just going to throw this on the chrome. Press T to interact with translucent weapons or props. But look how well this fits in. Like this actually looks like the official chrome boat. Like using the materials and stuff. I think we can fool with the rivers too. Let's now just delete this. And as you can tell, it's kind of ruined the terrain right there. Yeah, you can actually sculpt. I'm not sure if it's gonna. Yeah, it's gonna get a little crazy. But you can also sculpt on the terrain. Now, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.